Happy 60th birthday, Lola Annie. I wish you have good health and many birthdays to come. Mwah! Bye!
Happy birthday, Mommy. Love you.
Hello po, Mami. Happy 60th birthday po. I hope you have more birthdays to come. Yun na po.
Happy birthday, Mami. Love you.
Birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy. Love you, Mommy.
Happy 60th birthday to the most generous and kindest person that I know. Happy birthday, Mommy. I wish that you will have a good health, more blessings, and more followers. And I'm going to see you very soon. And I cannot wait for that day. But for now, just enjoy your day with your friends and Daddy. And I love you so much. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mommy!
Hello, Mami. Happy birthday. Senior ka na. I love you.
Hello, Mom. I'm wishing you a happy 60th birthday, and I wish you more birthdays and good health. I was supposed to be there to celebrate with you, but didn't happen, so probably next year I will see you and attend on your birthday. Love you and enjoy. Have a blast. Love you.
Hello guys! Ito na naman po si Ate Samilyn. Punchline ng asawa ko. Papatayin ko na asawa ko ng happy birthday. Excited siya. Asawa ko na ex-girlfriend ko. Away ko, kaibigan ko. Ang mahal ko. Happy birthday. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.